KOVAI CLASSIC Industries make MultiCrop Thresher. The machine is suitable to thresh paddy, maize, sunflower, jawar, finger millet and all other grains. The capacity of the machine is 50 to 60 bags per hour for paddy and 60 to 80 bags per hour for maize. The maize can be threshed with husk. This machine can be operated with any type of tractor PTO. The threshing and cleaning efficiency is not less than 98%. The grains threshed by this machine do not get damaged or crushed and the grains can be used as seeds. The machine is maintenance-free due to its sturdy components. 100% safe for the operators. Separate hullers and sieves are supplied for paddy as well other grains along with the machine. A separate elevator, hullers and sieves for a groundnut, wet podder, can be attached to the machine as an option at extra cost. Watch video for finger millet. Quick description about KCI. KOVAI CLASSIC Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com. For queries please do call to the provided number in the description box.